Hi. Hi, thanks for visiting my profile. I am Sajid Rahan. I am a creative digital marketer. I have many years of experience with a small and medium sized businesses growing through digital media marketing. My skills include social media marketing on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. I know I can bring Jen creative and fresh medias through my work experience fertility to achieve your business goal. You are also more than welcome that check out the links I have provided in my portfolio section down below. As I believe that it has proven themselves to work with products that I have been working with. If you feel that I am perfect match for your project, please do feel free to hit the invite button and write me a message. Alternatively, I am also available on Zoom if you would like to interview me. Thanks again. Your regards, Sajid Raihan.